Hi guys, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie. I am wanting to do a bit of an unboxing video with you. I went to the Scrapbook Store and I got really excited about some of the products that I got, and I also got some of my packages from Simon, so I wanted to share those with you. So first things first, look at what I found at the Scrapbook Store. Now, I don't know how much of this comes through on camera, but this is super exciting. So as you know, I mostly just use white cardstock and then I ink blend. So I have 5 of these. There's silver. There's this rose gold, which is just gorgeous. There's charcoal and gold. And last but not least, there's this ivory. And the thing that's really exciting about these paper packs is there's 5 different card types. There's 10 of each. They're 8 inches by 11.5. And you've got this glitter one, which is the one that you see on the front. There's also a soft touch one here. There's a brushed pearl, a pearl, and a mirror cardstock included. So I'm gonna use the gold actually because I think you can see it a little bit better. So these are a little bit different, but then there's also the matte, the brushed metal, the pearl, and the mirror, just depending on the kind of cardstock that it is. And it's really cool. So I have recently gotten into hot foiling, but this is gonna be super quick and easy. So if you're looking for that foiled effect, you can use either this, or this, or this, or this, and you know, die cut your sentiment out and you still get that same effect, which is awesome. Okay, now because I can't help myself, the biggest thing of glue that I could find, because why not, right? Also, I live in a colder climate. Apparently this can't be shipped. This needs to be picked up. Now, I also picked up some new Copic markers. I got R21, R22, R24, and R27. I do have R20 and R29. So this will kind of round out that color family a little bit, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to use it on my critters, but I also have some beautiful flower stamps that I'm hoping to be able to whip out in the new year. You know what's become really difficult to find? Titanium triple track replacements for my paper trimmer. So if you use the same type of paper trimmer that I do, which is the triple track from Fiskars, however you say that, wherever you can find these puppies, just get them, because Amazon has failed me for like a month or 2 now. They're really difficult. So, you know, find them, love them. And then I also got 3 new colors of Nuvo Crystal Drops. This one's Carnation, which is another one that I've had a really hard time finding, and it's just gorgeous. I saw a video from Yana Smakula the other day where she used this with a gold foiling technique. It kind of looked like this matte gold here, and it was just gorgeous. So I really wanted to give that a try. And then I also came across this blushing red, which is really pretty. I don't know how much it comes across on camera, but it's kind of like a coral pink almost. It's very nice. And then there's this pale gold, which kind of looks like just what it sounds like, a very pale gold. Not quite like the matte. It doesn't quite have that shine of the gold matte, but that's okay. And did you know that if you have Concord and 9th turnabout stamps, they make a jig? I didn't. Oh, and it's got little things that you can stick your cardstock into. Okay. I am super excited to try this out. I pulled out a couple of my turnabout stamps to do some Valentine's like cards or spring cards, I guess. So I will definitely be playing with that. And then I also picked out this stencil because I got some new deco foils and I really wanted to see if I could do some pretty hot foiling with some stencils, because of course I don't have a glimmer plate machine or anything like that, so that's fine. Okay, let me throw this away. When I edit this video, I might speed up through this process because I'm sure it's also really loud with the crinkling of the paper. Okay, and I haven't opened this. I'm not gonna flip it over because as much as I love you guys, I don't necessarily want you to know exactly where I live. Plus, I'm pretty sure that the other people who live here with me would probably kill me for that. Okay, so I don't really know what's in here. This kind of looks like Lawn Fawn. It looks like it's been taped to the packaging. Excellent. Is this my... Oh, yes! It's the Valentine's Day stuff! You know what this means, right, guys? Yeah, that'll be the next video. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've got the scalloped slimline with hearts in the portrait and the scalloped slimline with hearts in the landscape. We've got the gift card heart envelope because it's just so stinking cute. I can't even. Okay. Next. Ooh, the Magic Iris Birdhouse add-on. We have, oh, this cute mini interactive envelope. I love this. You know what else is really exciting about me getting all this product? Oh, this is so cute. Look at that size. Oh, I just love it. Oh, and you can like actually write little messages. Oh, it's the perfect size. Anywho, so what's exciting about getting all of this stuff is that I will actually be able to show you guys how I organize all my things. Oh, this is cute. I thought this was going to be bigger. I thought this was a slimline size. That's okay. That is a-okay. I could probably do some really cute things with this still. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this was the add-on for buying Tim Holtz product. Tim Holtz? I think it was Tim Holtz. You get this cute little die. I actually got 2 of these because I have like 5 outstanding orders right now with Simon, so I think I have another one of these coming. Okay, and then the birthday, because we all know that there's never enough birthday stuff. Oh my gosh. Special delivery with the die set. Because, yeah. Okay, Simon product. Oh, and here's the special delivery box add-on with the die set. Oh, and then I have all of my inks. So I am currently in the process of picking up Distress Oxide inks a little bit at a time so that it doesn't break the bank, y'all. So I found some colors at Michael's when I was there last, and I can't find the reinkers anywhere except, like, I can find them on Amazon, but they're usually outrageously expensive. So I actually get them from Simon's website because it's just more affordable. And then Mermaid Lagoon. That's exciting. Okay, let's see what's in this one. I would also like to point out that these orders were not placed in this order. This was, I think, the 3rd or 4th one that I placed. So they're completely out of order when they come to me. Oh well. Okay. Waffle flower stuff. This is exciting. I also am going to be doing some videos on how I do my color swatching. So this is really exciting. Because this is a color combos die, and I have a different die set. Where's the other one of it? I'm pretty sure I got it. Yeah, this one too. So I accidentally ordered this twice, but it's actually okay because then I can use 2 of these dies to cut out multiples off of one piece of paper, and it's a really great size, as you can see by my hand here. Here, compare it to the Distress Oxide. It's a really great size, and it makes some really cute tags. I actually use this for all of my Christmas tags, so it worked out really well. And then this will cut out little pieces that I think will fit. Yeah, they'll fit right in. So we can ink blend on them, or we can color them with Copics and cut them out. Whatever you want to do, you can do that and it'll work. Happy days. And then I have been eyeing up this die for a long time. The possibilities are endless. I'm so excited. And then, because you can never have too many nesting dies, diamonds. And, ooh, what's this? Oh, this is the die set for Rest Queen. And if you have not seen Rest Queen, let me see if I can pull it out here. I have it right here. So close. This is the stamp set that it goes with. So cute. I don't share my face a lot, so you don't know this about me, but I'm a curly girl, kind of. I'm a wavy girl. I'm a wavy girl. I can develop some pretty epic curls if I put a little bit of elbow grease into it. So that's really exciting. I love this stamp set. It is so cute. And I haven't used it yet, so that's gonna be coming. Okay, and then, because you can never have too many Kathy Zilski stuff. Okay, oh, and this is really tiny also. See, I thought this was a 6x6. Oh, it's a 4x4. You know what? This actually works better because I wanted to use this for hot foiling, and a 4x4 actually works better for my needs. So I am quite happy with that. See? Got another one. And then, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So that's barn door, y'all. Ah! Everywhere. Okay. Yeah, throw that in my bag. I've got a rag, dirty, dry rag. Totally got it on my white table. And on this pretty little backdrop mat thing that's on my table right now. That's okay, I got it out. We're good. Okay, what else is in here? Just this barn door, perfect. And then this guy, which I also have double. This is why you need to check what you have before you order things. Just saying. I'm not gonna return it because A, I'm in Canada, this is in the States. I don't know how well that would go. And I feel like by the time I get my refund, it'll cover the cost of the shipping, so may as well keep it. Maybe I'll do a giveaway or give it to a friend or something, so yeah. Okay, so that's it. Super excited to have gotten to share that with you guys. And I will be sure to cross tag to this video when I have made projects with these products so that you guys can go and see what I've done with them. And hopefully that'll also keep me accountable to you to make sure that I use the products that I show you. And we all know that won't be difficult with the Lawn Fawn, but I have so many other great products. This comes to mind, and I don't want them to be left by the wayside, even though I do love the Lawn Fawn, but I mean, this is just so cute. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today for this pseudo unboxing craft store haul that I had. I'm also going to link below to my craft store's website. They deliver all over Canada for purchases over $50. I'm not going to link directly to their products because they kind of come and go. So, but they are really great. So if you ever see anything on their website and they don't have it in stock, you can give them a call and see if they can get it in stock for you. So that's fantastic. Love them for that. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any notifications of new videos. And if you liked this kind of content, hit the like button, comment below, let me know so that I can do stuff like this again in the future. Or you can let me know, you know what, no, this is yucky, just do your cards and be done with it. Then I will also take that into consideration. All right, thanks so much for joining me, guys. You have a wonderful rest of your day, and we will chat soon.